morning. Okay, we are finishing what we did yesterday. So yesterday we were graphing lines in y equals mx plus b or slope-intercept form. And if they were in slope-intercept form, that made graphing really, really easy. Today, we have slightly more complicated equations, so we have to do a little bit more work today. So paper is going to be a requirement today. So first of all, this first line, we have on number 7, y equals negative 2x plus 2. Is that in slope-intercept form? Yeah, the y is by itself. It looks like y equals mx plus b. So the y is by itself, we're good to go. That's easy. So where are we going to begin graphing that one? What's our b? 2, And then what is our slope? Negative 2 over 1. Thank you for making it a fraction. That's beautiful. Negative 2 over 1 tells me to go down 2 and write 1. So again, you should be writing all of this down because this is what's going to help you a little bit later, okay? So I want to see you write this stuff down. So we're going to begin at 2 on the y-axis. So put a nice little dot right there at 2. We're on the same page that we finished yesterday. So go to the end of yesterday's notes. There it is. Okay, yay. Okay, fabulous. Okay. So we are then going to count our slope, which tells me to go down 2 and write 1. So I'm going to go down 2, write 1, and put a dot. And I'm going to do that for a lot. Down 2, write 1, down 2, write 1, down 2, write 1. And maybe I'm going to go reverse as well, so up and back. All right, so there I got a really nice line. Oh, I missed. Oh, I hate when I miss. Okay. So there's a great line there. But our second equation, is that in slope-intercept form? No, the y is not by itself. So we have to do a little bit of work here. So over here on the side, I'm going to rewrite that. 5x minus 2y equals 14. This is not in slope-intercept form. So just like last unit, we need to get the y by itself. So I need to isolate the y. How do I move this 5x term away? I want to move it to the other side. What should I do? Yeah, minus the 5x. So we're going to subtract 5x from both sides. Again, you should be writing this down so that you know what to do today. If I write it, you write it. Positive 5x and negative 5x cancel each other out. And I'm left with a negative 2y is equal to, over here on the right side of my wall, I have that negative 5x. I'm going to write that first. And then I'm going to write my plus 14. 2 things. Now, how do I get the y by itself? Divide by negative 2. We're going to divide everything by negative 2. So those negative 2's cancel out, leaving the y by itself. And here I have negative 5 over negative 2. Negative 5 divided by negative 2 is a crazy weird decimal, so we're going to math bracket. And we get, hey, positive 5 over 2. How about that? So positive 5 over 2. Don't forget your x. And what's 14 divided by negative 2? Negative 7. Very good. Now, this is in slope-intercept form, and I can graph it. Nice and easy. So this one, where are we going to begin? Negative 7. And what's our slope? 5 over 2. So that's going to go up 5 and right 2. So starting at negative 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Negative 7 right there on the y-axis. And then we're going to count up 5 and right 2. Up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes and right 2 boxes. And I ding, 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 hit my mark there. So I know exactly where those cross because I already had a dot there. Where do those 2 lines cross? 2, negative 2. Yep. So we went 2 to the right and down 2. So that's the negative 2. So 2, negative 2, the solution is 2, negative 2. So your job today is having to solve for y first. All right? So if the y isn't alone, you got extra work to do. So my first equation here, number 8, is the y alone? No. We have work to do. So I'm going to rewrite it. X plus 2y equals 10. I need to get the y by itself. Let's see, that's really a 1x. So I'm going to fill in my 1 because I don't want to lose track of it. All right, what should we do to get y by itself? Subtract 1x from both sides. Positive 1x and negative 1x goes away. I hope everyone's writing this down. All right, so I have left over here a 2y equals, what do I get on the right-hand side here? Negative 1x and a positive 10. They don't combine, they just get stuck next to each other. They're just neighbors. All right, and then how do we get y by itself? Divide everything by 2. Divide by 2, divide by 2. All right, so those go away. We get y equals negative 1/2 with an x, and 10 divided by 2 is 5, so plus 5. So there's my lovely equation I can graph now. Let's see, so I'm going to begin where? We're going to begin at 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5. I'm going to begin at 5, and what's my slope? Yeah, so that tells me to go down 1, right 2. So down 1, right 2. Down 1, right 2. And do that. A bunch of dots there. I'm going to go in reverse a little bit. And there we go. Got a good bunch of dots, then we can draw our line. Great. All right, my second equation, x minus 4y equals negative 8. Is that in slope-intercept form? Nope. So I got more work to do. So we have x minus 4y equals negative 8. So again, I need to do what? Oh, that's a 1x. What should I do first? Yeah, so subtract 1x from both sides. And that leaves me with what? Negative 4y equals negative 1x minus the 8. Ooh, I just squeezed it in there. And then what do I need to do? Divide by negative 4. Beautiful. Divide everything by negative 4. I get y equals, let's see, negative 1 divided by negative 4. Yeah. This is a decimal. Well, we're going to math bracket. We get positive 1/4 with an x. And then negative 8 divided by negative 4. Positive 2. So there's my second equation in the nice slope-intercept form. Where do we begin? 2. We begin at 2. And what's our slope? Up 1, right 4. So up 1, right 1, 2, 3. Hey, ding, 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 ding. And we made our mark there. All right, so what's that ordered pair? 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 to the right, and then up how many? 3. Should be 4, 3. All right, do you have questions so far? We're going to do one more. All right, number 9. Number 9 here. First equation. Is the y by itself? No, so we have some extra work to do. 2x minus 3y equals negative 3. So we got a little bit of work to do. What should we do first? Minus the 2x. Good. Positive 2x and negative 2x cancels out. And don't forget your negative here. That's a negative 3y. We don't want to lose track of that negative. He's really important there. All right. And on the right-hand side, I have my negative 2x, and then I have my negative 3. They just get stuck side by side. Then what should we do? Yep, divide everything by -3. So -3 over -3 goes away. And y equals, what's -2 divided by -3? Yeah, it's just positive, 2/3. You can use your calculator if you want. Don't forget your x. It's very, very important there. And -3 divided by -3 is +1. All right. So we're going to begin at 1 on the y-axis. So we're going to start there at 1. And then our slope is up to right 3, 2/3, up to right 3, 1, 2, right 2, 3. I'm going to go backwards a little bit, so I'm going to go down to left 3 as well. And I think that's probably good there. Got a bunch of dots. Okay, my second line, is this slope-intercept form? No. It's not. It kind of is. It kind of isn't. The y is by itself, though. I would call this a special case line. So look at the top of our page. At the top, what we did yesterday, we had the special case line x equals 9. And that gave us a vertical line. So this is also special case. We have y equals a number. So what kind of line is y equals a number? Horizontal, yeah. So y equals a horizontal line. There's no x in there. It's just a horizontal line. And so this says, hey, go to the y-axis and go to -3. So -1, 2, -3 right there. The y is -3. And then we're going to draw that horizontal line that crosses through that y-intercept. So right here, horizontal line. So there's our second line right there. And it crosses beautifully right there, the intersection. What ordered pair is that? Yeah, -6, -3. Left 6, down 3. Negative, negative. All right, so we get -6, -3. All right, ladies and gentlemen, do you have questions for me? Okay. You have to show this work today, so please have a piece of paper out so that you can solve for y and then graph your lines today. That is the big thing, so make sure you have paper ready to go. Keep those notes handy.